Alright, this video is on subtracting base 5 numbers. So let's say I have, let's do a smaller one first. 4, 2, 3, base 5, minus 2, 1, 4, base 5. Okay, so let's first of all just do a coin model. And again, what we're going to be doing with this, just like we did with the decimal stuff, is do a chip model as a takeaway. So chip / coin model takeaway interpretation. Okay. What we mean by this again is we're going to write down the minuend, we're going to cross off the subtrahend, and that's it. So you don't write both pieces. So I'm going to do this. So remember, for base 5, I get 25s, 5s, and 1s. So I've got pennies, nickels, and quarters. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what we're going to do is look at crossing this out. So I'm going to want to cross off 2 of those, right? 1 of those, and 4 of those. Okay, and just like we said before, I can't. So I could cross off 2 there. I could cross off 1 there, but I can't cross off 4 here. So what you're thinking is, again, if you think about this as coins, here's a nickel. I'm going to cross that out and make 5 pennies. So, and I often do that to make it very clear what I've done. So this would be a bundling or an unbundling, one of these things. Okay, so now that I'm set, I need to cross off 4, I can do that. 1, I can do that. 2, I can do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. Okay. So again, one of the things, notice the only chips I've written down, or coins that I've written down, is the minuend. I have crossed off the subtrahend. Let's write these down. Put coins, chips for minuend, cross off subtrahend. Okay, same as what we just had with the decimal. And then we're done. So I've got 2, 0, 4. Okay. Now, the next thing what we want to do is I want to do the column algorithm on this. So 2, 1, 4, base 5. So I put the 5 here to say I'm doing that. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I want to think about doing subtraction, right? Just like before. Okay, and I'm going to move right to left, just like we do as well. And I can't take 3 away from 4. Okay, so I'm going to cross that out, make that a 1, and then that. Now careful here. Again, this is base 5, so 1, 3 in base 5. Okay, that's not 13, that's not 10 plus 3. 1, 3 in base 5 is what? So you can even think about this. I like to do with coins. 1 nickel, 3 pennies. Right? So in your head, that's 8. Right, 1 nickel, 3 pennies. If I take away 4 of those, I have 4 left. 1 minus 1, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. Same result. Okay, again, and this is one of the things I'm emphasizing throughout this, is this is really a shortcut for doing coin model. All right, let's do one more. Let's do a little bit bigger one. 3014 base 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 2 base 5. Okay, so I'm going to introduce my little 15s this time. So I have 4 columns. Got that. Just again, I'm only going to do the minuend up first. Okay, and then I want to cross this off. Okay, I can cross off 2. I can't cross off 3 there. So typically I'd like to get them from the quarter side, but I can't cross off the quarter side. So I need to go all the way over to here. So I'm going to do, let's do this in red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then cross off everything that we have. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1. And my result is 1, 2, 3, 2. All right. Sorry a little bit about the extra sun there. All right, now let's try to do this in the column algorithm. So 3, 0, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, base 5, subtract. Okay, so 4 minus 2, again, that's totally fine. 3, I can't take 1 away from there, so I need to rebundle that, but I don't have that. So I'm going to go over to here, make that a 2, and then I put a 1 there, just like this. Okay, 1 0 in base 5 means 1 nickel, 0 pennies. So I'm going to cross that out and put 4. So I'm going to take one of those away and put another one there. All right. So now I've done all the unbundling. This is exactly this type of thing, just written that way. And now, so I did 4 minus 2 already, got 2. 1, 1 minus 3. 1, 1 means 1 nickel, 1 penny, minus 3 is 3. And then 4, 2 minus 2, and 2 minus 1 is that. Okay, so same result. Again, this is shortcut for doing all the coin stuff. And I know this is the confusing thing. You've really got to think about this. I like to use the same notation that we do in decimal. It's just you got to remember that this is, all this stuff means base 5. So 1 0 base 5, 1 nickel, 0 pennies. 1 1 base 5, 1 nickel, 1 penny. All right, so that wraps up the base 5 subtraction.